Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to get started with the Raspberry Pi Pico 2 using Ubuntu and VSCode, and also show you how to get the LED to blink. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and Google VSCode, and then go to download. And then I'm using a Ubuntu machine. Just click on that, and then it should automatically begin downloading. So once you have VS Code downloaded, it should show up in your downloads files right here. And once you have the dev file, what you can do is sudo d package-i for install, and then type out code and then tab it out, and it should pop up right here. And this will install VS Code onto your computer. Type in your password. Click yes. Okay, so now we can check, and we have VS Code right here, and I usually like to pin it to my quick icons, or whatever this is called. So go ahead and open that up, go to your extensions, and then type in Raspberry Pi Pico. So this is the one you'll want to install, and go ahead and install that. Trust publisher and install. Okay, now that it's installed, we can go to this menu right here, and we can go to new project from example. This sometimes takes a while to load, so be patient. So from the example, we'll type in simple or blink simple and leave this as is, and then we can change a directory. So I like to put my projects in here. So let's just call it blink, or you can name it whatever you like. And then select. And then you can leave everything as is. And then create. So this will go through a bunch of installations and downloads, like the SDK and some other dependencies. So once you create your project, you'll have this folder structure right here. And if we go to build, there'll be some contents in here. So you'll want to click on the Raspberry Pi Pico project icon, and then go to compile project, and this will compile your project. And then you can click enter to get rid of that. You see we'll have more content in here, specifically this binary file, which we'll use to flash the Raspberry Pi Pico to get it to blink. So here's a pinout diagram showing all the peripherals connected to each pin, and we are interested in pin 25. So if I zoom in a little bit, you'll see that pin 25, or GPIO pin 25, is connected to the onboard LED. This is the Raspberry Pi Pico simple blink code, and all it does is it toggles the onboard LED on and off every 25 milliseconds. It comes with two functions. So the first function, the Pico LED init, so all it does is it initializes pin 25 as a GPIO pin. So you can see that this is pin 25, and then it sets the direction of pin 25 as an output, because we want to output to the LED and toggle it on and off. So that function is called first, and then next we call this Pico set LED, and this takes in an argument which is either true or false. It can also be 1 or 0. And all this does is it sets pin 25 to be either on or off, and that's how you get the toggling in this while loop, and it just runs forever. Now we're ready to flash the Pico with the program, and all we need to do is, see if I can get this in focus, is hold down this boot select function and then plug in the USB cable at the same time, and then let go after. So it'll be like, hold it down and then plug this in and then let go. Once you've connected the Pico to the USB, you'll see it mount to your computer, which is this drive right here. And we're going to copy the blink simple UF2 file into this drive. So the way I like to copy the binary file to the drive is I go to terminal, new terminal, and then we should cd into the build folder, and then ls to see what it contains. And we are interested in this file right here. So if we cp for copy, blink, and tab through it, u tab, and then the destination will be /media / your username, and then / the name of the drive, which is that. And then when we press enter, you'll see the LED start flashing. And there you go. That's pretty much all there is to it. So let me know if you found this video helpful, and leave comments to let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see or learn about, and I'd be happy to make a video. Thanks.